Okay, so we start. Alright, so first of all, we will discuss the theory question, bahagian fakta dulu untuk 4.1. Some question I give as homework lah sebagai ulang kaji. Okay guys, so we try and see lah some question, kita cuba dulu. So first question, what is the purpose of taxation? Apa tujuan percukaian? Siapa boleh jawab? Who can give some answer? Semua boleh cuba. Everyone can try. Okay, very good. Source of government revenue, pendapatan negara, betul. Sama. Lagi-lagi. Ada 4 secara total. This one is 1 point. Lagi. Come on guys. Cuba. Apa tujuan percukaian? What is the purpose of taxation? Cuba bagi idea. Guys, yang lain, cuba komen. Okay, very good. Control of sales, control of goods and services, kawalan barangan dan perkhidmatan. Betul. Two more? There is 2 more. 2 lagi tujuan. Can anyone recall what other purpose of taxation we have? 2 lagi tujuan percukaian. Very good. Third point, stabilize the economy, menstabilkan ekonomi negara. One more. Satu lagi saja. Actually it's okay because right guys, soalan ni suka tanya kat objektif. They like to ask in kertas satu. Jadi sebenarnya kamu tak perlu hafal lah keempat-empat. Tapi lebih bagus untuk tahu keempat-empat. It's better for you to know all the 4. Okay. So yes, as government policy, correct. That is the 4th one. Okay. Sebagai policy kerajaan. Alright guys. So these are the 4 answers. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, this is the answer for number 1. Okay, so sumber pendapatan negara, dasar pelaksanaan polisi kerajaan, kawalan barangan dan perkhidmatan, dan juga menstabilkan ekonomi negara. Okay, 4 points. Okay, so second question guys. Second question, they say, what is the purpose of this tax? Okay, for real property where resale price is higher than purchase price. Maksudnya kamu nak jual rumah tu lebih tinggi harga dia berbanding kamu beli rumah. So apa tujuan cukai ni? Siapa tahu? Anyone? What is the purpose for this tax? Okay, first of all, what type of tax is this? Apa jenis cukai yang sedang dibincangkan di sini? Can anyone answer? What type of tax? Okay, yes. Okay, it's quit rent for the house, untuk rumah. So what is the purpose? Apa tujuan dia untuk cukai ni? Who don't know? Siapa tak tahu jawapan untuk soalan ni? Cuba komen. If you don't know, you comment in the chat box. I can share the answer. Saya boleh kongsi jawapan. Okay, so very simple actually. The answer is to reduce excessive property investment activities. Mengurangkan apa nak kata, secara berlebihan lah kamu membeli sesuatu aset atau rumah macam tu. Yang tu kamu boleh refer kat sini. Karena CBM ada kat sini. Kalau kamu nampak buku teks, kamu boleh nampak yang ni juga. Cukai pintu. Wait guys, I try to find for the BM version. Okay, over here I don't think they give the BM version. Okay, so kalau saya nak bantu kamu translate sana. Okay, so basically mereka nak kurangkan kamu beli harta secara berlebihan dalam perkataan mudah untuk Fakhruddin. Okay, to reduce excessive property investment activity supaya tak seseorang yang sangat kaya tu beli semua harta. Mereka tak mau macam tu. They don't want like that. They must share equally. Kena kongsi sama rata. Okay, so that's why reduce excessive property investment activity. Okay guys, boleh faham? Can you all get it for number 1 and 2? Okay, so this one is like the theory question lah yang kamu kena tahu, yang fakta punya. Usually objective. Okay, so first one. Apa maksud, what is the meaning of property assessment tax? Can anyone tell? Ada. Nanti recording akan upload. Okay, so what is the meaning? Anyone know? Property assessment tax. What is the meaning? Tax levied on all holdings or properties. Very good. Okay, correct. That is the answer. Okay, so property assessment tax is basically the tax levied on all holdings or properties in order to cover municipal expenses. Actually, this part no need lah. Okay, you can stop over here enough. This one is enough. Like how Hakim right. Okay, so it's basically cukai yang dikenakan ke atas semua harta, lah. Itu adalah cukai harta yang ni. Okay, so can you all get it? This the meaning. So it's important to know also lah because they can ask in objective. Boleh tanya pada soalan objektif. So kena tahu juga. Okay. So second one. So yang ni pandu kenderaan cukai jalan dah expire. Dia lupa renew. So apa akan jadi pada orang ni? Cuba bagi tahu. What will happen to Mr. Tan if he never renew the road tax? Common sense lah. Very good. He cannot drive on the public road. Dia tak boleh pandu atas jalan. You cannot drive. Okay, so the other answers. Okay, over here, right? They're talking in terms of money. Okay, I think your answer is also correct. If you don't if you don't renew your road tax, basically you cannot drive lah. Okay, but in this case, they're talking about the money. Okay, so you will be fined exceeding RM2,000. Kamu akan dikenakan denda. Okay, tidak melebihi 2,000. Alright? Yes, something like a penalty. Okay, but this one you can see it in your textbook also. Mereka bagi dalam jadual hijau, the green table. For every mistake, what is the effect and what is the akta? So you have to see that table. This one is over there. Okay, so we follow the akta only. Okay, so this one objective also. Okay, so third one. What party should register under the sales tax untuk cukai jualan dan perkhidmatan? Parti apa kena meletakkan nama lah di bawah akta tu? Anyone know? This one also theory. Yes, very good. Manufacturers or importers. Okay, orang yang import ataupun pembekal. Okay, kena register bawah akta ni. Alright, so the answer is this one. Okay, this one also you must remember. Theory only, nothing to describe. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so the fourth one. Okay, this one important. What is the difference between quit rent and property assessment tax? Can anyone tell? Cukai pintu dan juga cukai tanah. Apa perbezaan? One difference enough. Satu saja cukup. So anyone? What's the difference? Apa perbezaan cukai pintu dengan cukai tanah? Come on guys, give your suggestion. Bagi cadangan. Cepat. Wrong doesn't matter. Salah tak apa. Okay, Ken, very good. Quit rent is more on the land, kepala tanah. Okay, property assessment tax is more on your property lah, harta kamu seperti rumah. Okay, but let's say saya tanya, I ask in terms of who is collecting the tax. Can anyone tell me siapa yang kutip cukai ni? Quit rent. Who will collect? Cukai yes. Okay, pejabat tanah negeri. Correct. Okay, so this one is State Land Office in English. Pejabat tanah negeri will kutip this cukai. Alright. And then how about property assessment tax? Who will collect it? Siapa akan kutip? Guys, just to confirm, property assessment tax in BM is cukai apa? I also not familiar with the translation. Dalam BM property assessment tax tu apa? Cukai pintu ke? Okay, betul lah cukai pintu. So cukai pintu siapa kutip? Okay, so basically yes, local authority. Okay, pihak berkuasa tempatan dalam BM, PBT. Okay, so cukai pintu PBT akan kutip, local authority. Okay guys, are you clear with question 4? You must know the difference also because objective they can ask you apa perbezaan cukai tanah, cukai pintu, macam tu. Alright? Okay, number 5. Apa akan berlaku jika kamu macam mana nak kata? Guys, what is the translation for the word evades in BM? How to say it? For English, you all know what I mean lah. So what is the consequences over here if he evades income tax? Anyone can tell? You tell me the basic one. No need to tell values or anything. Tak perlu yes. Mengelakkan bayar cukai. Okay. Alright. Will be fine. Second one. What is the second punishment? Denda yang kedua. Selain didenda wang. Kalau dia tak bayar cukai. Anyone? Second one. Fine. Then the second thing will always be what? You will always go to penjara. Am I right? So you will get prison. Second consequence. Third one. Yang ketiga. Penalty. Always remember this. Urutan dia macam ni. Okay. Denda, penjara, penalty. Okay. Yes, you have to pay more than the amount required. Kamu kena bayar lebih sebab kamu dah mengelakkan cukai. So, kamu kena bayar balik secara lebih. Secara spesifik, nilai dia adalah 300% penalty. Okay, 300% of the amount you never pay. Alright? So, yeah. The values is not so important. Nilai dia tak sangat penting. But you must know what is the type of punishment. Yes, very high. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, guys, are you clear? Yeah, you will denda up till 20,000 also can if you avoid tax. Okay, so basically we finished recap already last week. Okay, so now we go to today's lesson. Okay, pelajaran hari ini. Okay, so today we will focus on calculation, bahagian pengiraan. So guys, as you all know, taxation calculation is very important, sangat penting. Just now itself people say di kertas 2, insurance cukai, banyak markah, a lot of marks. So you must know the step. Kamu kena tahu langkah, macam mana nak kira cukai, macam mana nak kira PCB. Semua yang tu kena tahu, all of that. So first step, first thing we want to count is cukai pendapatan. Macam mana nak kira cukai pendapatan? How to count your income tax? So basically, you got 4 steps. Kamu ada 4 langkah. So first step is you must count your chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai. Okay. Second step, count your income tax. Okay, hitung cukai pendapatan. Third step, minus tax rebate, tolak dengan rebat cukai. Fourth step is how much you are going to pay. Okay, itu berapa yang kamu akan bayar akhirnya. Okay, so basically, right guys, you must understand a few things over here. Okay, later we talk about it lah. Nanti kita bincang. Okay, we go here first. Pendapatan bercukai, chargeable income. Macam mana nak kira yang ni? How to count this? So basically, you must use this formula. Kamu kena guna rumus ni. So basically, pendapatan bercukai tu is your jumlah pendapatan, total annual income. Must be annual lah guys. Kena tahunan tau, bukan bulanan. Okay, is annual, means 1 year. 1 tahun punya gaji, kamu akan isi kat sini. Okay, that's why kamu nampak nilai dia sangat besar, dalam puluhan ribu. Betul kan guys? Untuk nilai ni usually is 10,000 and above. Usually lah. Okay, because tahunan. Okay, and then minus tax exemption, pengecualian cukai. Okay, minus tax relief. Okay, pelepasan cukai. Okay guys, so guys, now I ask you, tax relief, tax exemption, what comes under these two? Apa yang datang bawah ni? Boleh bagi contoh tak? Contoh pengecualian cukai, contoh pelepasan cukai. Yes, very good. Donation, sumbangan. Okay, that's the majority. Donation will help to improve your tax rebate, tax relief and also your tax exemption. Okay, derma kepada badan kerajaan especially. Okay, government body. Usually must be government body because government dia akan recognize yang tu. Mereka akan iktiraf. So then you will get tax rebate. Okay, one common mistake here, a lot of people make, satu kesilapan lazim bila kira pendapatan bercukai. Focus lah guys, this one important, penting. Is this correct? Adakah yang ni penting? Adakah ini betul? Perlu tak saya tolak dengan zakat fitrah bila saya kira pendapatan bercukai? Yes or no? Do I minus zakat or fitrah when count chargeable income? The rest? Yang lain? Yes or no? Common mistake. Very good. Okay, no need. Tak perlu. So, mana kamu tolak yang ni? Siapa boleh bagi tahu? Zakat fitrah ni kamu tolak ke mana? Where do you minus it? Which part? Yes, it come under the rebate actually. So rebate, you all know that you have RM 400 rebate. Am I right guys? Kamu ada RM 400 rebate untuk yang kurang 35,000 pendapatan bercukai. So kat situ, zakat fitrah akan masuk. Bila kamu tolak RM 400 tu, exactly at this part, you will have zakat fitrah. Okay guys? So you must take note. Kalau kamu tolak zakat fitrah kat sini, habis. Seluruh jalan kira salah. Sebab kamu akan dapat pendapatan bercukai yang salah. You will get a different chargeable income already because you minus the zakat of fitrah too early. So then your income tax also wrong lah. No. Oh, maybe for you is stuck. Guys, the rest of you, is it stuck? The slide? Yeah, try to move and see. Fine, huh? Maybe it's your side, uni. maybe your internet. Okay, so okay, good. All right, so next one, about your pendapatan tahunan. Okay, annual income. So guys, how the annual income come from, or what are the types of annual income? Apa jenis pendapatan tahunan? So example will be very simple, this one, bonus of income. Guys, you perform very well for the company. Kamu seorang pekerja yang perform sangat bagus dalam syarikat kamu. Adakah kamu akan dapat bonus gaji? Will you get a bonus? Of course. Okay, kamu akan dapat because the majikan like you. Okay, the manager like you very much. So he give you the pay rise, kenaikan gaji. So this is also come under your income. Dia datang bawah pendapatan kamu juga selain pendapatan basic kamu. Okay, and then of course got dividend, faedah, premium, all of these come under annual income. Dia datang bawah pendapatan tahunan. Alright. Okay, so yeah, basically this is all you should know for pendapatan tahunan. Okay, so until now, are you all clear? Sampai sini, can you all understand? Everyone here? Can? Okay, good. Next, about tax exemption, pengecualian cukai. So how do you get tax exemption? As you all said just now, derma sumbangan. You give donation, you will have tax exemption. You must take note now, guys, kepada kerajaan, only to the government or organization. Means that if you donate to a beggar, okay, very simple lah guys. Kamu beri wang kepada pengemis. Adakah kamu dapat pengecualian cukai? Yes or no? Let's say you donate money to a beggar. Do you get tax exemption? Taklah. Kalau macam tu, semua orang kat sini akan cuba cari pengemis, donate wang kat dia, kamu lebih kurang nak bayar kat kerajaan. Am I right guys? Kalau senario macam tu, senanglah hidup kami. Kamu cari pengemis kat luar sana, bagi sejumlah wang. Lepas tu, cukai kita kurang. Kurang kena bayar kat kerajaan. Okay, so bukan macam tu lah. Okay, because organization or government only. Kerajaan dan organisasi. Okay, so next one. Okay, pengecualian cukai juga. Okay, so basically, dia ada had. Okay, there is a limit for pengecualian cukai. So what is the purpose of tax exemption? Apa tujuan yang ni? Basically is to create harmonious community lah. Okay, kamu akan bentuk masyarakat penyayang. Okay, this the tujuan lah for tax exemption. Alright. So then tax relief, pelepasan cukai. Okay, so pelepasan cukai, kamu kena take note, dia bergantung kepada dasar yang ditetapkan oleh kerajaan. It's based on the government policy and it will change from time to time. Dia akan berubah because different government, different policy. Okay, kerajaan berlainan, dasar berlainan juga. Okay, so yeah. So this all is the theory parts only so far. Kita tak datang lagi for the calculation. Alright. So now, income tax. Okay. So now, okay. So how to calculate income tax? Macam mana nak kira cukai pendapatan? You have to refer to the tax table, jadual cukai. Okay, guys. So the kadar cukai, the rate of tax, it will be determined by the government. Dia akan ditentukan oleh kerajaan. Okay, and it will change also from time to time. Dia tak tetap. It's not fixed one. It depends on the government and the policy. So it will change according to the time. Alright. So now, this is the jadual that you have seen. Am I right, guys? Semua dah nampak jadual ni? Cuba komen. Have you all seen this table? Should be right. Okay, very good. Kalau dah nampak, bagus. Okay, first question. If you notice the jadual, right? Cuba lihat jadual yang ni. Can you see that semakin bertambah pendapatan bercukai kamu, semakin bertambah cukai yang kamu kena bayar. Betul? The higher the chargeable income, the higher the tax you pay. Itu hubungan dia. Okay, it's directly proportional lah. In other words, okay, berkadar langsung. Satu meningkat, satu meningkat. Okay. One thing special. Can you see this, guys? Bila kamu ada 0 sampai 5,000 pendapatan bercukai, kamu tak perlu bayar cukai pada kerajaan. You don't have to pay tax to the government. Tapi guys, kamu rasa kat Malaysia ni lah, in the whole of Malaysia, how many percent of people belong to this group? Berapa peratusan orang yang tergolong dalam kumpulan ni? Cuba bagi pendapat kamu lah. Kamu, adakah dia banyak orang atau kurang orang? Yes, they will show the table. Bukan 30% lah. Very few. Sangat, not really lah. Guys, I don't think so. Yeah, below 10%, correct. Okay lah, 1%, I don't know the exact figure, but definitely below 10%. Okay, because setiap orang yang dapat wang, for those that earn, definitely kamu akan masuk kat sini. So that's why you pay tax. Kamu bayar cukai. Alright? Most of the people is down there, ke bawah, macam ni. Alright? So guys, over here, do you need to memorize the table? Adakah kamu kena hafal jadual? Yes or no? Okay, very good. So you all know, no need ah. Jangan pandai-pandai pergi hafal semua yang ni. Okay, tak perlu. Because it's given in the exam. Okay, mereka takkan bagi satu jadual macam ni yang berkaitan dengan soalan sahaja akan diberi. Only the ones related to the question. Example, mereka akan bagi macam ni kat kamu, dalam kertas kamu. Sebab nilai-nilai dia semua yang ni sahaja. Okay, so do you all know how to use the table? Adakah kamu tahu macam mana nak guna jadual ni? This one very important. Sebab kalau kamu tak tahu macam mana nak guna, susah. So anyone have problem, tak tahu guna jadual ni untuk cukai, cuba bagi tahu. On the first RM something then equals to tax. Boleh ya? Okay. So let's say I give you a random value lah. Saya bagi satu nilai kat kamu. Okay. Pendapatan bercukai kamu RM 36,000. Okay, 36,000. So, first step, kamu refer yang ni. Baris yang ni. Okay. So, cukai asas, base tax. Siapa boleh bagi tahu saya apa nilai dia dalam jadual ni? If you read the table, your base tax, cukai asas, nilai kamu berapa kat sini? Anyone? This one, right? This is your base tax. Base tax means without getting kadar. Okay, sebelum kamu dikenakan kadar cukai, itu maksud cukai asas, base tax, without getting any tax rate. So this is your base tax, RM600. Second step, kamu kena kira baki cukai yang akan dikenakan kadar ni. You must count the remainder of the tax that will be get 8%. So guys, 36,000 pendapatan bercukai. 35,000 pertama dah dapat nilai ni. So what is your baki guys? Apa baki cukai sekarang? Pendapatan bercukai 36K. Lepas tu 35,000 pertama, you have 600. So what is your balance? Can anyone tell me? Very good. Okay, 1,000 lah. 36,000 minus 35,000. So it's 1,000. So RM1,000 ni akan dikenakan 8%. 1,000 times 8%. Maksudnya RM80 lah. Okay, kamu kena bayar RM80. Tambah dengan cukai asas 600. So total tax 680. Boleh faham guys? So jawapan kamu 680. Okay guys? Are you clear on the calculation part? Can Okay. This one not hard one. Tak susah. Guys. You think who will earn like this? Kamu cuba fikir, siapa akan dapat pendapatan bercukai macam ni? Can you all comment? Who will earn 2 million in 1 year? Can anyone tell? Siapa akan dapat wang macam ni? Celebrity lah. Am I right? Or the big people lah, orang besar-besar. Okay, so you can see how much tax they have to pay. Tengok guys, 1 year, how much tax they have to pay? 500k. Kamu bayangkan, if you all have to pay 500,000 tax, memang tak cukup lah, not enough. Okay, sebab terlalu banyak dah. So, when you earn more, you pay more also. Kamu dapat lebih banyak, kamu kena beri juga lebih banyak. This is the principle of the world lah. Okay, you earn more, you give more. You earn less, you give less. Okay, so yeah. Tapi dalam peperiksaan kan, mereka takkan bagi nilai sangat besar macam ni. Usually, soalan-soalan peperiksaan, dia akan fokus ke atas ni. Mungkin sampai sini. This value. Ni sampai nilai ni. Maximum lah. Okay, minimum, mungkin dia boleh pergi sampai sini. Okay, so you must know how to count for all these values. Alright, so until here, are you clear with the table? Boleh dapat macam mana nak kira? I think should be alright. Wow, very clear. I tell Haida again. So used to saying Haida Adi, still never get into the mode of calling you Hakim. Yalah, because he always come my class that time. That's why I always call Haida. Because I Haida, but now you come already, so Hakim. Next time must tell Hakim. Okay, so now tax rebate, lebat cukai. So guys, you must remember, there's two types of tax rebate. Dua jenis lebat cukai. As I say earlier, RM 400 rebate. Kena hafal nilai ni, tidak akan diberi. You must memorize this rebate. When your chargeable income is 35,000 and below. Okay, so guys, I ask you question. Kalau pendapatan bercukai kamu 35,000, adakah saya dapat lebat cukai? Yes or no? If my chargeable income is exactly 35,000, do I get RM 400? The rest? Yang lain kata apa? Guys, you must see the statement carefully ya. Tidak melebihi. Tidak melebihi means what? Siapa boleh bagi saya simbol ketaksamaan untuk tidak melebihi? In English is not exceeding. What is the inequality sign? Can you all tell me? Simbol dia akan macam ni. Am I right guys? Tidak melebihi. Simbol ketaksamaan kamu macam ni. Yes. So guys, let's say the value is exactly 35,000. Do I get tax rebate? 400 ringgit? The answer should be yes. Kamu akan dapat. You will get RM 400. As long as 35k and below your chargeable income, you will get tax rebate. Kamu akan dapat lebat cukai. Okay, for 35,000 dan ke bawah. So let's say now, one day, your chargeable income, you have 35,001. Do I get tax rebate? Adakah saya dapat lebat cukai? Kalau pendapatan bercukai macam ni? Yes, you won't get. Kamu takkan dapat. Okay, because you have extra 1 ringgit. Okay, so too bad lah. Kalau 1 ringgit extra pun tak boleh guys. Kena ngam-ngam 35k dan bawah. Okay, let's say I give a bit more dramatic lah. Guys, kalau pendapatan bercukai saya macam ni, adakah saya dapat lebat cukai? Do I get tax rebate if my chargeable income is like this? 35,000, 1 cent. No, kamu takkan dapat. You won't get. Must be 35,000 only. Tak boleh ada sen pun kat belakang. 35k. Baru kamu akan dapat RM400. Okay guys, boleh faham konsep ni? Tapi jangan risau lah, don't worry. Exam takkan bagi sampai controversial macam ni. Exam pun pemurah hati dengan kamu. So mereka akan bagi satu nilai yang ketara. It'll be a very big difference. So you can check and see. This one I ask, saya tanya macam ni sebab nak uji kamu sahaja. Do you understand this one or not? Adakah kamu faham ke tak? Nothing else. Okay, so you don't need to focus on this so much. Okay, so next one, zakat or fitrah. You will also get tax rebate, rebat cukai. Always remember, this one is the second type. Okay, for Muslim people. Alright, so they will give you the value also. Mereka akan bagi nilai. Then you minus at the end. After you count your income tax, then you minus your tax rebate. Kamu kira cukai pendapatan, tolak dengan rebat cukai. Okay guys, are you clear for this one? Should be clear, right? Zakat is paid per year. Yes, because over here, right, our income tax, we are calculating per year. So we have to minus also per year. Then only is equal. Everything in this topic is talking about annual, tahunan. Alright? So we don't have like monthly, all that. Okay? So next one. Contoh one. First example. Now we apply all the knowledge we learned so far into some question. So let's say guys, this person got annual income 125,300 pendapatan tahunan yang ni, and then he got this amount dikecualikan cukai, and then he derma donation this amount, and then tax relief 22.5k. Okay guys, how do I count the chargeable income? Can anyone tell me the answer? Apa jawapan untuk pendapatan bercukai kamu? Yang ni sangat mudah lagi. Still simple example. So if you get the answer, you can share di. Saya nak pendapatan bercukai, Hafizuddin. Kamu buat setengah jalan saja, halfway only. So anyone else want to share your answer? Apa pendapatan bercukai for this situation? You must learn to press calculator fast guys. Kamu kena tekan calculator dengan pantas. Yes, correct. Okay, so basically kamu boleh buat secara terus. Tak perlu pisah pada dua langkah pun. Okay, you can direct get your answer. Okay, maksudnya you take this value, start. Kamu ambil nilai ni, tolak semua nilai ni, then you will get your answer. Okay, so this is your working. Okay, so final answer, chargeable income is 88,460. Okay, itu adalah pendapatan bercukai kamu. Alright, so are you clear? This one shouldn't be any problem lah. Quite basic example. Okay, next one. Second example. Let's say kamu ada pendapatan bercukai sebanyak yang ni. You got this amount of chargeable income. Okay. They tell you that got zakat. So they ask you to count the income tax, cukai pendapatan. So guys, first step, chargeable income, they give you this value. Should I minus 280? Adakah saya perlu tolak 280 ke atas? Is it correct? Adakah langkah ni betul? Okay, very good. Refer to the table. Very good. Okay, zakat, fitrah, always minus at the end. Tolak kat akhir jawapan kamu. Okay, so you refer to your table. So you will get base tax is 600. cukai asas 600. Cukai yang baki, kamu akan ambil, 47531, tolak dengan apa guys? Minus what value? If you refer the table. Very good. Okay, because kamu nak cari baki cukai yang tidak dikenakan kadar lagi. You want to find the remainder of tax that never get the percentage of 8%. Okay, so then this one you times 8%. Then you get your answer. Alright, so you will get something like this. Okay, so kamu kena tambah dua nilai ni. You must add both of these values. Alright, and then don't forget zakat you must minus at the end. Kamu kena tolak 280. So this is your final answer. Which part? Bahagian mana? Tolak. Yang ni ke? Oh, okay. Sebab zakat ada 280. So kamu kena selalu ingat tolak zakat kat akhir setelah kamu kira cukai pendapatan. Okay, so ini jawapan kamu. Okay guys, can you get it? So always remember minus zakat or fitrah kat akhir. Don't minus over here. Jangan tolak kat awal. Alright, so next one. Okay, contoh number 3. Okay, so let's say he got annual income 52770. He donate 300. Okay, so first step, how to count chargeable income? Macam mana kira pendapatan bercukai? You will take 52770 minus 300. Kamu tolak dengan sumbangan. Okay, lepas ni kamu juga ada pelepasan cukai, tax relief. So you have to minus all of these values. Tolak semua nilai ni dalam jadual. So you minus 9000, minus 5800, minus 1700, minus 4000. Tolak semua nilai ni. Then you will get your chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai. Okay guys, one thing you must take note. Let's say saya tukar soalan kat sini. Saya letak 5000 kat sini. I put 5000 ah. So can I minus 5800? Okay, very good. Kamu hanya boleh tolak 5000 saja. Form 5 chapter 4. Okay? So bila had adalah 5000, kamu tak boleh tolak 5800. You must minus 5000 only. Alright? So make sure you all take note of the limit. Okay, don't just simply minus only. Kamu nampak yang ni, pelepasan cukai, lepas tu tolak semua ni. Okay, kamu kena tengok had juga. Make sure you refer to the limit, every single column, because they can change one. Okay, so yeah. So next one, you will get your chargeable income already. Okay, over here. Okay, so your answer for chargeable income is 31,970. So after you get chargeable income, what do we do guys? Selepas dapat pendapatan bercukai, kita kena buat apa? Always like this. What is the second step? Kita kena rujuk apa? We refer to the table. Am I right? Kita rujuk jadual. Okay, jadual akan diberi. It will be given in your exam. So jangan risau. So this is your base tax. Okay, cukai asas 150. And then plus with cukai pendapatan. Apa nama dia? Pendapatan bercukai. Okay, tolak dengan 20,000 pertama. Kali dengan 3%. Kamu akan dapat baki cukai yang perlu dibayar. Okay, you will get your remainder of tax that you need to pay also. Then you plus with 150. So then you will get your total tax. Okay, so over here guys, if you see carefully, your chargeable income. Is it less than 35K? Adakah lebih kurang dari 35,000? Yes. So always remember, when kurang dari 35,000, kamu akan dapat rebat RM400. So mana tolak rebat ni? Where to minus? At the end, kat akhir. Sebelum kamu dapat jawapan. So you minus 400 at the end. Okay, don't forget this. Jangan lupa. Kadang-kadang kita shock buat jalan kira, we will forget this one. Sebab kita lupa syarat ni. We forget this condition. So rugilah 1 markah. Okay, can get it guys for this question? So this is how you do the text. Okay, basic lah. Proses ni standard. Dia akan ulang sahaja. You will just continue to repeat and repeat for different question. Okay, so next one, we are going to look at PCB. Okay, very important also, potongan cukai bulanan. So how do we do PCB? Okay, so you can see this example. Okay, so first part, very common, you want to count the income tax again. Kira cukai pendapatan. Whenever you have PCB, right, kamu selalu akan hubung kaitkan dengan cukai pendapatan. Yes, correct. Later I'll explain more on that. Okay, so basically, Encik Lim, gaji 74K, and then he got relief. All of this is the relief. So guys, semua nilai ni, every single value, you must minus. Kamu kena tolak semua nilai ni from 74,000. So then you will get your chargeable income, pendapatan bercukai. So this is your chargeable income. 54425. Then you refer table, tengok jadual, your base tax, cukai asas is 1800. Tax on balance, baki cukai yang kamu kena bayar, 14% kali dengan nilai ni, tolak 50,000. Okay, sebab 50,000 dah kena nilai ni, 1.8K. Alright, so then kamu akan dapat pendapatan cukai kamu, tambah dua nilai tu. Okay, so you will get macam ni. Okay, so macam ni. So tak ada rebat lah kat sini, no rebate, because chargeable income kamu, pendapatan bercukai lebih dari 35,000. Okay, so for part A, I think quite basic lah, kamu boleh faham cara nak kira cukai. So second part, PCB, they like to ask this, suka tanya yang ni, adakah dia perlu bayar baki tak? Okay, so basically, sebelum kita buat yang ni, I give you scenario lah, so that easier for you to understand. PCB and also income tax, cukai pendapatan. So ada 3 scenario sahaja. First, second, third. Okay, so let's say PCB kamu 140 per month. Income tax, sana saya bagi nilai. Okay, 1600. Kamu dah kira lah. Kamu katakan kamu dapat nilai ni. So guys, in this situation, nilai mana lebih tinggi? Which value is higher now? PCB or income tax? Mana satu lebih tinggi? Can you all tell me? Very good. Okay guys, take note PCB nilai yang diberi adalah untuk 1 bulan, 1 month. So kamu kena darab 12 selalunya for this question, because nilai ni adalah nilai tahunan. Income tax is annual value. PCB is monthly value. So you cannot direct compare. Kamu tak boleh bandingkan secara terus. 1 bulanan, 1 tahunan tak seimbang. Okay, not balance. So you must times 12 untuk convert dari bulan ke tahun. Okay, so then kamu akan dapat conclusion, PCB lebih besar dari income tax. So what happen now guys? Apa akan jadi? What is the situation? If PCB greater than income tax, what will happen? Anyone? Adakah orang tu perlu bayar pada LHDN atau LHDN akan bagi balik wang? Which one? Can anyone tell? A lot of people confused over here. Banyak orang keliru kat sini. Yes, correct. Okay, ingat guys, PCB lebih dari cukai pendapatan, LHDN akan bagi balik wang yang berlebihan pada kita. The Inland Revenue Board will give back the money to us if PCB is greater than the income tax. How much money he give back? You can count. 140 times 12 minus 1600. This is the amount you will get. Okay, from the IRB, Inland Revenue Board. Boleh faham guys? Can you get it? PCB greater than income tax, you will get money. Kamu akan dapat duit. Second situation, let's say 140 per month also, and then your income tax, let's say 1700. Okay guys, which value is higher now? Nilai mana lebih tinggi? PCB atau income tax? Very good. Okay, income tax is higher than PCB. Okay, so now income tax, cukai pendapatan lebih besar from PCB. So now, adakah LHDN bagi wang pada kita atau kita bagi wang pada LHDN? Do we get the money or do we pay the money? Which one? Yes. Okay. Common sense lah guys. Kamu dapat lebih, kamu ada lebih cukai untuk bayar. So definitely kamu kena bayar balik lah. Okay, so that's why kamu akan bayar balik jumlah yang ni. Okay, so kamu boleh kira nilai dia. Alright, until now, can you all understand? Sampai sini boleh dapat tak apa saya nak sampaikan? Okay, very good. Third scenario, ada satu lagi juga. Tapi scenario ni jarang berlaku. Very rare. Okay, so now, let's say, masih PCB macam ni, and then, let's say, alright. So now guys, you compare these two value and see which value is higher. Nilai mana lebih tinggi for third situation? PCB or income tax? Yes. Guys, have you all thought of this situation? Bila PCB is equal to your income tax, apa berlaku Semua orang cuba jawab. Everyone try to answer. If your PCB is same as your income tax, what will happen actually? Logic lah. Kalau dua-dua nilai sama, adakah kamu kena bayar sesuatu? Do you have to pay anything? Yes. It actually means kamu cukup bayar cukai dah. You exactly pay the amount of tax. Not more, not less. Exact. So means that RM0 lah. Kamu tak perlu buat apa-apa. Okay, nothing happen between IRB and you. LHDN tak dapat apa-apa, kita tak dapat apa-apa pun. Alright? Can you guys get it guys? For all these three situation, you must know kena tahu tiga-tiga ni. Okay, so this is the summary. So now kamu boleh lihat soalan ni. So let's say, bukan kat sini. Okay, so over here, 180. Adakah saya boleh guna nilai ni terus guys? Can I directly use 180 to compare? Very good. Okay, because setiap bulan, monthly. So you must times 12 kali 12. Then you compare with this value. Nilai ni. Okay, so now check and see. Nilai mana lebih tinggi sekarang guys? PCB or income tax for this situation? PCB is 180 times 12. Income tax adalah yang ni. So definitely income tax lebih besar. Am I right? Cukai pendapatan kamu lebih besar. So now income tax lebih besar dari PCB. So apa akan berlaku? Can you all tell me? What should be done? Very good. Orang ni kena bayar wang pada LHDN. he has to pay money to ILB. So that is the answer. Okay, so you can see over here. So kamu boleh kira nilai dia juga, berapa kena bayar. Okay, kamu ambil apa tu, cukai pendapatan tolak PCB. You take the income tax minus PCB, you will know how much he has to pay to this LHDN or ILB in English. Okay guys, can you faham? Boleh dapat? This is the basic exam question they like to ask a lot. Kamu boleh nampak lah, pattern dia macam ni. First, they ask you count chargeable income, kira pendapatan bercukai. Second, count income tax. Okay. Third, PCB dengan cukai pendapatan. Kamu kena bandingkan satu soalan dah. They can form one question. Alright. So now we will practice some question for the last half an hour lah, untuk setengah jam terakhir. Okay, about what we learned so far, tentang apa yang kita belajar. Alright. So you can see this question. Okay, so over here the annual income mereka dah bagi, donation, sumbangan dan juga zakat. Okay, and this is all the tax relief. Semua pelepasan cukai kat sini. Alright, first question. Wait Okay, wait guys for a while. Okay, Hakim. First question. Chargeable income. Can you tell me what's the value for this question? Pendapatan bercukai. That is the first question later. You can tell me the final answer. Okay, wait let me check. Slightly wrong. Sedikit silap. Very close tadi. I think you make careless mistake somewhere. I know already. Okay, you minus 3,000. Am I right? Do you minus 3,000? Yes, correct. Okay, 70,660 is the correct answer. Okay guys, so how to count chargeable income? Macam mana kira pendapatan bercukai? This value minus 3,000. Zakat jangan tolak. Don't minus zakat. Minus 9,000. Minus 2,500. Minus 5,830. Minus 1,550. Okay, so kamu kena tulis semua nilai ni lah. Don't skip any step. Tulis semua nilai. Minus one by one. Okay, so this is the answer. Jawapan dia macam ni. Alright, so the answer is 70,660. Okay, next step. That's why I say, it's not that you don't know how to do. It's just careless only. Okay, cuai sahaja. So now, you get your chargeable income already. Second question is, calculate the income tax. Cari cukai pendapatan. So kamu ada nilai dia 70,660. Okay. So now, Ahmad Hafiz, apa? Did you answer? No. Okay. For Ahmad Hafiz, apa cukai asas kamu kat sini? What is your base tax? Slowly Hakim, follow my pace. Ikut kelajuan saya. Jangan terlebih jauh dah. So Ahmad Hafiz, what is your base tax? Apa cukai asas kamu untuk pendapatan bercukai yang ni? For this chargeable income. Yang lain pun boleh jawab. The others can answer. So, what is your base tax? Apa cukai asas? Very good. 4,600. Okay, so this is your base tax. Alright. So now, what must you count after you get the base tax? Selepas kira cukai asas, kena kira apa? Anyone can answer lah. What should you count next after you get base tax? Oh, pengeluaran pertama adalah actually pengeluaran pertama tak ada apa-apa. Kamu refer jadual sahaja nilai dia yang ni. Pengeluaran kedua kamu ambil baki. Maksudnya nilai ni tolak dengan 70,000 kali 21%. Yes, the balance tax. Jangan lupa yang ni. Kamu kena kira jumlah cukai yang dikenakan terhadap seluruh nilai ni. Kalau kamu kata jumlah cukai yang kena bayar tu hanya 4,600, salah. It's not correct. Because you never take the 21% also. Means that you actually count less. Kamu kira terkurang dari nilai sebenar actually. Okay, so don't forget to always use the kadar given. Kamu kena guna. Okay, so yeah. So then you will get the answer D for part B, cukai pendapatan kamu. So this will be your answer. Okay, so okay, one more thing. Don't forget zakat. Okay, must minus. Yes, the first part is this one, 128.6. Then last, you must plus both. Then minus with 700. Okay, 700 because zakat fitrah. Zakat fitrah, always remember, minus at the end. Tolak kat akhir. Alright. So, until here, are you guys clear? For part A and B, this is the basic question you will see in this chapter. Okay. Okay, so for part 3, it's a bit more complex because they ask you on the difference. Okay, this one is theory actually. So they ask you the difference between tax rebate and exempted tax. So can anyone tell me what is the difference? Apa perbezaan kat sini for this question? Maybe Joshua, Xavier, do you want to try? Apa perbezaan rebat cukai dan pengecualian cukai? General only. Exempt tax is you're being relieved of paying taxes. Okay, let me check and see. Exempted tax is okay, but if you can be a bit more specific, it's better. So what is exempted tax actually? Is actually something you minus before you count your chargeable income. Am I right? Pengecualian cukai adalah sesuatu yang ditolak sebelum kamu kira pendapatan bercukai kamu. Am I right? So that is the meaning of exempted tax. Pengecualian cukai. It comes from the formula. Dia datang dari rumus kamu. Okay? So how about tax rebate? Rebat cukai. What is the meaning of it? Apa maksud dia? No. Rebat cukai, we don't get money guys. Kita tak dapat pun. We just pay less. Kita bayar kurang sahaja. So anyone know? What is the meaning for tax rebate? Okay, can I accept? So basically, the answer is actually setelah kamu dah buat pengeluaran akhir, kamu akan tolak rebat cukai. Am I right guys? So that is actually the answer. Okay. Selepas kamu kira cukai pendapatan kamu, kamu tolak dengan rebat cukai. So that is your rebat cukai. Berpengecualian cukai, kamu tolak kat awal sebelum kamu kira pendapatan bercukai. Boleh faham guys? Can you get it? This is the concept. So you can see over here. This is the answer. Okay, for those take in English, tax rebate is something you minus after you get the final calculation on the amount of tax you should pay. And then tax exemption, you must minus it before you count your chargeable income. Okay, this is for the English. Okay guys, are you clear? Boleh dapat? This is for one whole question. So one whole question, 7 marks. Okay, 7 markah. Maybe section B paper 2 lah boleh tanya. Okay, section C not really. Mungkin mereka boleh combine soalan dengan bab lain, but mostly is section B untuk cukai ni. Okay, so next one. Alright, so this one. Okay guys, one more thing I want to tell you. If you study in English lah, chargeable income and taxable income mean the same thing for those take English. For BM dia satu sahaja, pendapatan bercukai, settle. Okay, so yeah, just take note on this. In case they use this word instead of the other word, so you can understand lah, it's the same thing. Okay, and one more thing, guys, usually in this chapter, right, for English, they will ask you to count the income tax. Am I right? For those take English, for DLP student, they ask you calculate income tax. There is another way they can ask the question. They will ask you to count the tax payable. So don't get scared when you see this word. It actually means they want you to count your income tax. Okay, guys? Don't get scared and suddenly see what is this tax payable. Okay, it's another term they like to use in the exam. Okay, guys? For those take DLP, are you clear? Okay, income tax equal to tax payable. Taxable income equal to chargeable income. Only the words only. Okay, so yeah, this is the thing you must take note. Okay, so now for this question, zakat. So do we minus the zakat here, guys? Adakah kita tolak 38,500 minus 700? Very good. Don't tolak. Okay, mengapa saya ulang yang ni? Sebab kesilapan lazim. A lot of you will make the mistake. Secara tak sedar pun kamu buat. Sebab kamu dah biasa. Kamu nampak pendapatan bercukai, kamu nampak satu lagi nilai, kamu terus tolak tanpa baca. Am I right, guys? Kamu akan terdorong untuk buat macam ni. So make sure baca soalan. Kalau ada zakat, jangan tolak. Okay? Sebab kamu dah bazir satu jalan kira dah. Okay? So now, 38,500. Okay. Over here, there is no table. Sana, saya lihat atas ada. Okay, tak ada. Never mind. I give you the value. So, kalau kamu wujud jadual, kamu akan dapat cukai asas 600. Okay, and then the kada is 8%. Okay, so second step. For the table is 35,000 pertama. Okay, so second step. Can anyone tell me? Untuk kira baki cukai, the balance of the tax, how do we count it? Macam mana kita kira baki cukai? Maybe Nurin? Boleh cuba tak? Macam mana kita kira baki cukai untuk situasi ni? 600 is your base tax, cukai asas. Very good. Okay, 38,500 minus 35,000 times 8%. Correct. Okay, so this is how you count your tax on the balance. Okay, third step, what do we do? Kita buat apa? After we count this, langkah ketiga, we will add both value. Am I right? We will take base tax plus with the tax on the next balance, which is this one. Okay, we will plus both. Then you will get the income tax already. So over here, guys, do we need to minus 500? Sorry, 400? Adakah kita perlu tolak 400? Yes or no? Very good. Because the chargeable income is greater than 35,000. Very good. But don't forget, you got zakat, so make sure minus zakat at the end. Then you will get the final answer. Alright guys, are you clear? So this is how you count income tax, cukai pendapatan. So this will be your answer. Very few guys, only have to pay RM 130 tax. This one is tahunan guys, you must take note. This 130 is you pay for 1 year. Okay, 1 year you pay only 130 tax to the government. So consider quite little lah. Okay, because your chargeable income is low. Okay, pendapatan bercukai is very low. So that's why you pay less also. Okay, so next question. They ask you to explain the meaning of tax relief. Apa maksud pelepasan cukai? Can anyone try? This one is general question also. Exemption of paying taxes. Let me check and see. Your one is a bit general. You must tell a bit more specific, okay, about your tax relief. Tax relief is usually for which party? Can you tell? Who is the person involved? Tax exempted for personal use, medical use, and EPF. But over here, right, they're asking tax relief, not tax exempted. It's two different things. Okay. So actually, right, tax exempted is just the expenses for your own importance or family members that didn't get the income tax, that didn't have to pay the income tax. Okay, so for BM, the answer is like this. Okay, is perkara atau perbelanjaan bagi kepentingan persendirian atau ahli-ahli keluarga yang tidak dikenakan cukai pendapatan. This is your tax relief. Can get it guys? This is your theory question lah yang kamu kena tahu. Usually 1 mark only, 1 or 2 marks. So don't worry too much if you cannot get the answer also. Okay, because usually they ask in objective, not in subjective. Okay, but in this case it comes in subjective. All right. So are you clear until now? Before I think this is the second last already. Okay, very good. Are you all? Text very master, not bad. This one first time, I teach you all, but quite good already. Okay, it's for our future. Oh, okay, now I know. Because the topic is for your future, that's why you study well lah. Means the other topic like transformation lah, trigonometry, all you don't study well lah because not useful for the future. Am I right? See, you all like that. Insurance taxation kamu belajar baik-baik. Ada chapter matrix lah, variation semua tak penting kan untuk hidup. So tak perlu belajar. Okay, hopefully that is not the attitude lah. Okay, every chapter also important for life in some way or other. Okay, maybe some is more important, some is less important. That's all. Okay, but definitely each chapter got importance. Okay, so now annual salary. Okay, they give you the value pendapatan tahunan 84.4K. So here is all the expenses. Okay, so question is count chargeable income. Kira pendapatan bercukai. Okay, so who want to try to give the final answer? Who volunteer first? Always I ask volunteer first. Who want to volunteer? You tell me in the chat box. At least more interesting lah. Yeah, okay, very good. Give a clap for yourself because you volunteer. So count the chargeable income. Kira pendapatan bercukai. So once you get the answer, you can share. If others want to tell the answer also, I will check. Be careful with the heart guys. Kamu kena take note semua heart ni bila tolak. Jangan tolak terus saja. Don't minus directly. Okay, some more? The rest? Then I will tell who is correct and then who is wrong. Yang lain cuba juga. Everyone. Okay, some more. Cuba. I never reveal anything yet. Saya tak bagi tahu apa-apa lagi. Okay, some more. So far got 4 people already. Don't be shy to try. Try is good because it help you to check whether you understand or not. Okay, some more. Got 5 already. Okay, 6. Some more. Lagi. I want to see who is the bright star over here. Siapa bintang paling cerah kat sini? Some more guys? The rest of y'all? Anyone else want to share the answer? Chargeable income for this one. You all can still try for those never answer yet. Okay, so I check for y'all first lah. Okay, so first person. Okay, wait, let me scroll up. Okay, wait. Where is it? Okay. So let's check and see. Diana, wrong. Joshua, wrong. Hafisuddin, wrong. And then Hakim, wrong. Yuni, wrong. Emil, wrong. Emily, wrong. Wah, wrong. Semua salah. The rest? Someone want to try or not? Who can get the correct answer? I want to see the person. First time I see like this. First time. But it's okay. It's a good challenge. So some more, you want to try or not? I think a lot of you careless. Banyak orang cuai. So got any other answers you want to share for those never tell yet? Wrong. Oh, gaji is 84,400. Yes, correct. Hafizuddin, wrong. Wait guys. Let me check and see. Saya pun kira dengan kamu. If anyone want to try, kamu boleh cuba. Oh, I think I know already. Why you all get wrong? Wrong. Emily very close. Agalia, cannot be so low lah. 2,530 is too low. Emily, so far the closest. Very close already. The rest very far. Yeah, the rest all very far. Okay, very close also. Miftahul, Salah, Hafizuddin, dekat. Very dekat. Emily, no. Your earlier answer was closer. 59,500. Very close. Yang tu saya tak boleh bagi tahu lah. Kamu kena tahu, untuk kira pendapatan bercukai, adakah kita tolak zakat ke tak? Do we minus zakat for taxable income? So anyone else want to try? Want to be a hero? The only person to get correct? Anyone give up? Wrong. Wow. This is the first time I see, yeah. So many people try, everyone wrong. Wrong. But very close. Joshua Xavier, very close. The answer is correct. I checked already. So I think something wrong with you all doing. Close. Hakim very close, but still wrong. Come on, guys. Who want to be the hero? Wrong. Very close. Hannah. Wah, the trend is 59500. Why, guys? Kamu sekarang simply hentam ah. Uni wrong. Hakim wrong. Wah. Who want to be the savior? Come on. Chayo. Chayo. Wrong. Wrong. Everyone wrong. Lukman. Sangat dekat. Very close. Tapi still wrong. Hakim a bit far. 59.8k sedikit jauh. Compared to Lukman. Lukman answer closer. 58. Guys, kira betul-betul lah. Jangan tembak nilai saja. Wrong, 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 wrong. Make sure you count carefully, guys. Okay, I tell you one thing. Over here. Do you see this? Per person. Satu orang. Guys, over here. How many children got? Berapa orang ada? 2 kan? So you must times 2. Is that your mistake? Adakah itu kesilapan? Maybe that is your mistake lah. I don't know. No? Then what is the mistake? I also not sure now. Let me see. Everything else is easy, what? I think your calculator problem. Guys, your annual income value. Do you use this? Oh, you all correct lah. Soalan copy wrongly. Okay, correct. Those who get 59500 all correct. So Emily, I think first person say 59500. Yes, correct. Sorry guys, for those say 59500 is the correct answer. Jawapan betul. Okay, because the answer scheme put wrongly the value. Now only I see. Okay, so yes, sorry for those I asked, for those I say wrong. Okay, so this is the answer. But good try. Okay, so this one is actually 400 because they use 84,000. So plus 400. Okay, so yeah, so this one should be 500. Okay, so next one. Yeah. I thought it's really, you all really get wrong, but CC is the answer scheme mistake. Okay, income tax, how to count? Okay, this one easy lah. Okay, you refer to the table. Okay, kamu lihat jadual. So this one I think you all know lah, no need to explain already. Okay, so just make sure you tolak the zakat kat akhir. Don't forget this one. This one only a lot of people forget. Part B. Okay, and then part C. Okay guys, PCB and your income tax. which one higher? Mana lebih tinggi sekarang? Income tax is 2474. So cuba bandingkan mana nilai lebih tinggi. This one if you count and see, you should get 4200. So means that nilai ni lebih tinggi. So PCB lebih tinggi than income tax. So what will happen, guys? Does Puan Amira need to pay balance? Yes or no? Adakah Puan Amira kena bayar? Where got yes? Guys, PCB greater than income tax. Tak perlu. Only when income tax greater than PCB, then only she will pay. A lot of people confuse here. Jangan confuse. Okay, PCB greater means IRB akan bayar balik. They will pay back to the Puan Amira. Okay, so this is the answer. Alright. So if you want to count the value, you can state the value here. Kalau kamu nak tahu berapa kena bayar balik. But actually no need. Tak perlu kira. You just say perlu bayar balik atau tak perlu saja. Nilai tak penting. Value is not important. Okay guys? Are you clear with this question? Can get it? After I say you all wrong, very sorry for that. I think a lot of people get the correct answer already. Okay. This question, can you all try and see? Zakat last tadi. Ini last. Zakat kira macam mana? Zakat mereka akan bagi nilai kat kamu. Kamu tak perlu kira apa-apa pun. Hanya kamu perlu tolak kat akhir jalan kira kamu. Bila kamu kira cukai pendapatan yang kena bayar, kamu tolak zakat kat akhir. Sama dengan rebat, kamu tolak kat akhir. Okay? So what is your answer, guys, for this? Apa nilai dia? Okay, let us see. Sudah. Yes, correct. Kat sini pun mereka buat silap. Okay, lucky I never say you all wrong. Okay, this one the value wrong is 65, not 56. Yeah, your answer is correct. So this one is 15. Okay, so good. Next one, this the last I think, if not mistaken. Let me see. Okay, this one is also the same type lah. Okay, so basically, let me check and see. Sana guys, I can put this as homework for you all. Kamu boleh buat sebab ni sama saja. Let me just check and see. Yeah. Okay, these last two question, right? Kamu boleh cuba dengan sendiri. Soalan kedua and soalan ketiga. Okay guys, because I actually teach all of this already. Soalan sama saja berulang. It's the exact same question. Okay guys, so can you all try on your own? We will discuss next week. Next week lesson, when we start back, we will discuss these two questions, number 2 and number 3. Alright, so do you find the lesson help you? Boleh bantu kamu faham tak cukai secara lebih bagus? Can understand Very good. This topic very important. That's why kamu kena faham. Okay. So any other question you want to ask? And also one more thing. You all got see in the group, right? I create the A+ group. Am I right? Semua nampak kan yang tu? Saya bagi dua link. One for modern maths, one for admaths. So basically, no. Dia adalah dua group tambahan. Untuk yang nak betul-betul score A dalam maths dan admaths, kamu join group 2. So group 2, saya send soalan kat kamu untuk buat secara harian lah. Soalan kecil-kecil sahaja. Macam uji satu topik sahaja. So that you all can try and see. So that boleh bantu kamu lah. Contoh, like for maths group, okay, you can PM my number, this one. Okay, WhatsApp. So for modern maths, Sekarang saya buat topik garis dan sudut, lines and angles, your lower form. So saya bagi objektif, soalan objektif kat kamu untuk cuba. Because I think kamu semua lemah kan kat topik tu. Am I right? Lines and angles. You all don't like, right? Lower form topic, modern maths. Yang ada bulatan, lepas tu sudut, ada bentuk semua tu. Kamu semua tak suka kan yang tu. So that's why I train on the objective for modern maths, especially lower form. Sebab lower form kamu semua lupa. That's why saya bagi soalan-soalan lower form dulu. After that, I will go on to form 4, form 5 lah. Okay, after your lower form dah power, then we go to form 4, form 5. And maths, saya buat form 4 chapter 1 lah. Saya follow saja from chapter 1 until form 5. We do question together. Maksudnya saya hantar soalan, kamu boleh buatlah. Lepas tu hantar balik kat saya jawapan, saya check untuk kamu. I'll help to check for you. For those, this one bukan untuk semua orang Untuk orang yang betul-betul nak A tu. Okay? Itu saja boleh. Okay? So kamu kena tahulah, you must know your own capability. Do you want to get A or not for maths and add maths? Boleh tak share link to the maths group? I think I shared already. Are you in my Form 5 Modern Maths group? Galia. Dah terlambat ke weh? Baru start nak study. Tak lambat. Kalau kamu nak dapat A plus tu, kamu join lah group tu. SPM 2024 A plus group. Saya ada hantar link. Oh, just now only join. Okay. In that case, you maybe I send the link again. It's alright. I will share in the group one more time. Okay? Saya akan hantar. For Diana, kamu PM saya. Because kamu tak ada lagi dalam group tu. Okay? Adios. Okay. Take care. Welcome. Take care. Okay, thank you. Semangat for SPM and trial. Few more days only untuk trial September. You're welcome. Don't give up. Keep on fighting. Welcome. The rest over here, got any other question? You're welcome. Yang lain? Ada soalan still? Kalau tak ada, saya end Okay. Thank you.